welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for coming back. In today's video, I have a clean and decorate for you guys. I will be decorating my apartment with the things that I picked up from Hobby Lobby the other day. If you didn't catch that video, it will be linked down below and also at the end of the video. Check out the items that I picked up. But I'm just going to be cleaning a little bit, and I'll also be decorating for fall. So if you're interested in videos like that, make sure to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
One thing I know for sure, what we have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong, but I like it like that. Now I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. And we crossing borders, not taking orders, and I like it like that. I like you like that.
You can lean on me if the fire goes. There will be some light and darkness. You can lean on me, I'm strong enough to carry us both out of this mess. You can lean on me if the fire goes. There will be some light and darkness. You can lean on me, I'm strong enough to carry us both out of this mess. You can lean on me if the fire goes. There will be some light and darkness. You can lean on me, I'm strong enough to carry us both out of this mess. You can lean on me if the fire goes. There will be some light and darkness. You can lean on me, I'm strong enough to carry us both out of this mess. Don't let us down, we've waited so long. Getting hyped up for the weekend. Getting hyped up for the weekend.
It's 3 a.m. You got me waiting for your love. I'm at the corner of the club. It's pouring down, but I won't, no, I won't budge. I'll call your bluff. You think you're tough, yeah, so go ahead, come and put me off. Bring all your friends so they can watch. You're drunk dialing up my phone, so here I am at 3 a.m. You got me looking crazy, baby. These wicked little games you play, yeah. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m., so here I am. Oh, you're crazy, crazy. You're bullseye out of your mind. You're crazy, crazy in every way I can find. You're crazy, crazy. The more when morning comes. Just chillin', keep it cool for us, yeah. Hey, that's a cue for entry. I know those eyes, let's act surprised, yeah.